Hi, I'm Alan Ross, Managing Editor of APC Media. We are here at the 2026 IEEE PES T&D Show. My next guest is Jim Cai. Jim, good to see you again. Thank you for joining us. Jim is the General Manager of North America of JSHP Transformers USA. Did I get it right?
Yeah,
I got it right. Good. Well, welcome. Thank you for doing this. First of all, the last time we talked about change that was going on in the market. We had no idea. It was like 2 years ago, wasn't it? 2000, whatever it was.
Yeah, 3 years ago, yes.
We missed it because it's much bigger than we thought back then. Talk a little bit about the market, how you see that, what's happening today that we got wrong in 2004.
Well, right now, like you mentioned here, transformer, we have so-called shortage here somewhere on the global. But all those years, I would say there's more transformer manufacturer created.
Okay.
Yes, worldwide. Yeah. And also the market that we can see right now is kind of crazy, especially with the data center, worldwide data center application out there.
What size of transformer does JSHP specialize in?
Well, JSHP transformer kind of unique. The product line we do from the single phase 10 kVA all the way up to 850 kVA,
really?
1000 MVA.
Okay.
Yeah, we're not just talk. We actually delivered.
Okay.
All of them.
So the market's changing. We know the shortage is there. How long do you think that's going to take until, because everybody's building capacity, and you remember back in 1970s, they built capacity, then the market dropped and people started closing plants. Well, talk a little bit about that, just chasing the curve.
Yeah, I would say right now, yes, it's kind of crazy here, right? Again, yeah, and also even back to where we are, the factory is back in China.
Yeah,
we see there's a lot of new factory built up in past couple of years.
Yeah,
we see almost 100 new transformer factory built up in not just 1 year.
100 new man.
Yes. So you can see how crazy it is, right? Yeah. So in our kind of forecasting, we think maybe in 5 years.
It's going to last and then it's going to plateau for 5 years?
Yeah, I think we are in peak right now, but how long that peak will last, we think maybe less than 5 years.
Okay, all right. AI data centers, that's changed everything because I don't think we really understood the amount of power they need, the amount of water they need. Yes. And so how are you reacting to that marketplace?
Well, we are kind of in lucky position for JSHP because we have the capacity. We are really can deliver really quick with lot of transformers.
Right.
So in this sense, we are kind of really, again, in the lucky position. We got a lot of orders from around the world for the data center application, and we can deliver in less than a year.
Okay.
So again, we don't know how long it's going to last, but we are kind of in lucky position right now, yes.
So something you and I both love, but we also have enough criticism of, is the Transformers Committee of IEEE. It is, by far and away, it is the standard. What comes out of that committee has been perfect. The DGA guide, the new DGA guide. Come on, you're on that committee. Talk a little bit about the Transformers Committee.
Well, apparently, IEEE Transformer Committee is a kind of volunteer type of the organization. They have all the rules, all the people to manage this. I guess that's the way it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see all the standard take 3 or 5 years to finalize. It's kind of standard practice.
There's about 200 people in that committee, isn't it? It's a lot of people.
I think more than that.
Really?
Maybe more
it keeps growing, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And it's hard to get 200 or 250 or whatever it is to agree on anything, right?
Yeah, it's hard to get everyone agree on.
Is it global? Focus global?
Supposed to be.
Okay.
But right now you can see it's more focused on the U.S.
Okay.
It's an NC IEEE committee, right? Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
So what part of the Transformer Committee do you work in?
I'm kind of involved on the power transformer side,
Okay.
also the distribution transformer side,
Okay.
especially this, the underground, network transformer
Right.
side. Yeah.
The 765 grid is being rebuilt. I mean, at pace because the U.S.
Yeah.
is so isolated. Now they're trying to agree. Do you have product for the 765 grid?
We just delivered one.
You did?
Yeah, we just delivered one 765 kV GSU to Ohio. We
Okay.
delivered in 1 year.
Okay, excellent.
Yeah.
So obviously you have a product for that and you're focusing on that market.
Well, because JSHP is based in China,
Yeah.
so we still have that U.S.-China relationship situation here.
Yeah.
So we will not say we are really targeting this one, but
Okay.
we are ready.
Yeah. So I understand there's going to be a meeting between our president and China's president, and I think they'll get that whole tariff thing underway. But you're still shipping into the United States daily, right?
Yes, we
Okay.
ship a lot to the U.S.
Okay.
Yes.
Interesting. If I were to ask you, I call it an unfair competitive advantage. What is JSHP's unfair? That means nobody else can have it. Competitive advantage.
I would say JSHP, we have the scale no one
Okay.
else had.
Okay.
Yeah, for this kind of the main power transformer, somewhere about the 100 MV transformer,
Yeah.
we ship 2 or 3 per day
Okay.
in past 25 years.
Okay.
Maybe we are the only one in the world we can say we can mass produce power transformer.
Wow. At
Yeah.
quality, because I know JSHP is a
Yeah.
quality product. Yeah.
Yes.
So if you think about it, you've got to have a support system for those transformers. You just have to have installation. If there is a problem, you got to have repair or testing. Talk a little bit about your organization here to support the customers for JSHP.
Yeah, well, yeah, JSHP, all the warranty installation service, we always try to use the local,
Okay.
customer-based, location-based service kind of third party.
Okay.
So in US, we use, team up with a service company,
Okay.
like the RISA, NAS, those companies.
Right.
Work with them to provide the installation service and also the warranty services.
Okay.
Yeah.
Excellent. So Jim, thank you so much for joining me again. You're here at IEEE PES T&D 2026. 2028 is going to be in Atlanta.
Yes.
That's my home.
All right.
I will see you in Atlanta.
See you there. Yes. Okay.
And thank you so much.
Thank you.